So right now we're going to the beach. We're just gonna bodyboard. Got my new bodyboard here. Got my new bodyboard here. This one's a 36-inch, so it's a little bit smaller than what I'm used to, but I really think it's gonna be good on these waves because it's gonna turn really sharp. And Preston's trying to skimboard right now on his, or actually that's my old boogie board. So it was just really slippery, so we're just gonna wax it up and try to skimboard on it. So, right now we're just gonna walk on the boardwalk. Even when I'm wide awake, I dream about you. We just realized that there's a drone show, and they basically just have a light on them and project images in the sky.